guys? Today we will be changing out my head unit for the Mazdaspeed 3, and we got the Eonon package, or the Eonon tablet. So let's see what's in it. Alright, so we got an envelope, user manual, and then installation manual. The box is empty. Yay! I want to see what's in the envelope. Oh, sick. A warranty card. Let's go. Let's go. No, it's just the warranty card stuff. Alright. Y'all ready? Check this out, check this out. Yo, it's a whole ass tablet. Wait, where's the screen protector? It's supposed to be whatever. It's a whole ass tablet. It's crazy. Some of these baggies. Alright, it's all the wirings that I need to install it on the car. I'm assuming this one is too. Yep. It's my Wi-Fi and antenna cable and stuff. Alright, let's start the install. Cobb. Here's the old one. I forgot you need to take this screen LCD part off first too, because it's gonna go on the new one. One, two, three, 44, 45. So here's what it looks like. Way better than the stock stereo. I'll start it up. So that's the startup screen. One of my favorite things about this radio is this. Hold on. So if you got your phone right here, right, and you connect it, there's a USB that comes out of the radio. You connect it, then you got Apple CarPlay. Yo, so it's the next day, and the homies wanted to play ball, so look at the homeboy right there. Oh shit. No, get this one, get this one. For sure, for sure. Brick. Oh no, get this one, get this one. Yo. Get this one. wait. This one's it. Alright, for sure. For all the marbles, boy. Alright. Kobe. Woo! Oh, let's go. Let's go. Not edited, not edited. First try.
First try.
Yo. Damn. It'd be like that, bro.
Hey, film the 1v1 though.
The 1v1?
Hell yeah.
He don't want the smoke, dude, honestly. He don't want the smoke. See, look at that, bro.
I made this shit.
Oh, you did? No, you didn't.
Crazy.
Play it back. Run it back. The smoke, dude, honestly. He don't want the smoke. See, look at that, bro.
I made this shit.
Oh, you did? No, you didn't.
Crazy.
Play it back. Run it back. Run the replay.
You watched the replay.
Watch the replay.
You watched the replay. What is this shit called? Am I buying this, bro? It's been a while. It's been a long while. It's been a long while.
Hey, it's because of this unhealthy weather, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
Now I'm laced up.
Stop, bro.
Now I'm laced up.
Ooh,
that's wet.
he's laced up, boy.
Oh,
He laced up.
So what we doing today, bruh?
Just got done. Oh well, I just got done swapping this food.
Oh.
I just got done swapping this food. You know, HORSE. Ooh, wait, why do I have 3 fingers?
We're just playing ball and we're waiting for our boy Nathan to come through. No, I think we're getting some tacos? Tacos? No tacos? Yeah, so we're getting tacos.
Alright, so like most of y'all know, like primarily we're supposed to be a car group, but you know, this shit can be anything, you know, like just us fucking around, you know. It's not just strictly cars.
Yeah?
It's a family.
Oh, okay. He says some family. As he misses the shot. So if you like cars, if you like chilling with the homies, if you like adventures, all that kind of stuff, this is the channel for you. Oh, Rick.
Oh, airball. Wait, that was Nathan who shot that.
Oh, that was Nathan. Where's Nathan though?
Yeah. Hey Nathan, stop hiding.
Look who just pulled up. Ooh, it's the boy. What up, bro?
What's up, man?
Let's go. Let's play ball. Yo, so I think I lied, guys.
I think the easiest is gray though.
I said this
Gray's
was the
the-
sexiest Civic in Santa Clara, but I was lying. This is the sexiest Civic in Santa Clara. Right, Nathan?
Yep.
Alright, what's up guys? We made it to the taco spot. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's fire, dude. It's fire. When you guys get over here, bud, you guys gotta go get the super quesadillas. This shit's fire. For real, for real. Hey, this is his first time right here. How you feel, boy?
Hungry.
Yeah, bro, I just took a fat ass shit, bro. I'm ready to regain those pounds, bro. For sure, for sure.
Yo, since we didn't show you guys the heat last time, we'll show you this time.
Hey, this is the heat, bruh. This is some, bruh. I can eat this all day, but you know, I'm trying to lose weight. This is the heat. Al pastor.
Bruh, and we're eating here. The food was good. Trying to get used to this vlogging thing. Yeah. I saw the statistics and it's like 95% of you guys are not subscribed to us. 95%. The people, 95% of the people that watched the video last time were not subscribed to us. So it would help if you click the subscribe button Like, comment, and subscribe because that helps us out a lot. And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, hit us up. Subscribe to my channel at It'sTheManlyGuy.com.
I don't know if you heard him, but I'll link him.